Hey everybody, yeah, I made this video, and it didn't have any sound on it, but what I'm doing now is a voiceover. So that's what y'all are hearing, cause I don't feel like getting the hell up and doing that video again, cause I just got up and did that video, and then went and threw up in the toilet. So, I'm sweating, and I'm sweating and throwing up, and I don't feel good. But this is what it is, man, and I want y'all to see this right here because so then in 40 days y'all will be able to come back to my early videos and be able to see what I came from nothing, from a the first video I made up here. They emailed me and said that it wasn't appropriate for children. The language I was using. So that's something I'm going to do is clean up my language and my image up here. And I'm telling y'all that I got the knowledge, the spiritual knowledge, to completely transform my life, man. And what I'm not going to do on this channel is pretend that I know anything that I don't, or spit you any type of bullshit whatsoever. This channel, I promise you, is the absolute no bullshit zone. And I'm gonna tell you what I know, spiritual truths that I know, and I'm gonna tell you what I believe, and I'm gonna tell you what I don't know. And what I do know is some spiritual secrets, man, that are closely guarded in this world. And I'm claiming to have a whole lot of spiritual knowledge, man, because I know for a fact that I do. And I'm not bragging or nothing. That's not what I'm doing. I'm letting you know, everybody who wants to follow me on this channel, that's really seeking spiritual truth, man. I've been doing this my whole life, ever since I died and came back into this body. And I'm telling you, that everybody who follows me during this process and that believes in me during this process, I'm going to make sure you spiritually reap rewards personally, during this process, and that y'all are going to learn something and better yourselves in your own life. And what I'm going to be doing in this channel right here, once I get myself together here, I'm not going to be under the influence of any type of a chemical or anything like that. And what we're going to be doing with the prayer, the meditation, it's going to be prayer. It's going to be prayer and meditation on steroids, because I'm telling you that I know basically in all the religions on this planet, what's bullshit and what ain't bullshit. Because there's truth in all religions, and there's also a whole bunch of bullshit in pretty much all the religions. So what we're going to be focusing on here is the truth and excluding the bullshit. That's the promise that I make to each and every one of you here. So, you know, this channel ain't gonna be for the masses. It's not gonna be for the whole lot of people, because I'm not gonna be using my knowledge to manipulate anybody. I'm coming in and spreading the light is what I'm doing. So I want y'all to see me in these early stages, man. That's what we're doing right now, is we're looking at me, how fucked up I am, how I ain't got nothing, how my life is, how I look like a damn crazy person up here. And don't nobody believe shit I'm saying, and everything's coming out my mouth is spiritual, is everything comes out my mouth is silly nonsense, pretty much. And you know, and I want everybody to bear witness right now to this. And I promise you that those who really want the truth, man, you know, and want to gain spiritual power and to fulfill their purpose in this life, because I'm doing the will of God. That's what I'm doing. And what I'm not going to do is use any of these practices for anything evil, or to invite any type of negative influence up onto my channel. So that's also what's going on. So, you know, I just ask that basically y'all just watch me right now. Y'all just watch me. That's all I ask right now. And y'all are going to see for yourself. I ain't asking you believe me right now. I ain't asking that you trust me. But I'm just asking that I get y'all's attention right now. And, you know, yeah, I ain't even going to ask you for nothing else to like and share the videos. Or, you know, I'm just asking y'all to bear witness at this moment.